Hello. Good evening, good afternoon, ladies. Hello. Knock, knock. Hi, ladies. Come on, ladies. Give me a thumbs up. Hi, ladies. Give me a thumbs up. Who is there? Knock, knock. Anyone there? Anyone home? Or all busy in their Diwali celebrations? Hi, ladies. Thank you, Shri Devi. Thank you, Madhuri. Thank you so much. Yay, I can see people. It's the excitement when I see the numbers grow. Yay! Thank you, ladies. Welcome to Wholesome Wednesday session number 73. Started 73 weeks ago, my lord. I don't even realize how time flies, right? A very interesting topic today, and I've got 4 gorgeous divas who will be golfing in their saris. Wow. We have seen so many videos of saris and skiing, ladies skiing and including, rowboats, which is the rowing boat, sailing, and I'll be tapping into those ones as well shortly. But at the moment, I was able to get hold of someone who can literally do the golfing in their saris. And I don't have just one. I've got 4 gorgeous women. Yay! I'm so glad. Shaila, thank you so much. Thank you, Pratibha. Thank you, Saroja. Thank you, Darshana. Thank you, ladies. Thank you. Let us start the session because I've got the ladies waiting there. And let me just do my normal spiel, which I normally do. And birthdays, right? Birthdays. Wishing everyone who celebrated their birthday from last week up until yesterday, wishing them a very happy birthday. And today I have got 4 ladies celebrating their birthday. Again, one is Hemalata, my name too. And Renuka. Renuka happens to be my childhood classmate. And we kind of grew up together, studying, etc. And Mrs. Nanda Kumsi, she is in Sydney. And Lata Manjunath Reddy. Ladies, 4 gorgeous ladies, wishing you all a very happy birthday. And now, coming to the national days, it just so well fits in to 2 of the days which we would be celebrating today, because it's the 4 gorgeous ladies. I can relate that to maybe one of them or maybe 2 of them. But anyway, I'll come to that in a while. And today we are celebrating, not we, of course we can actually, it's the Japanese Culture Day. Culture Day is celebrated in Japan, and it's the constitution which was established on this day, and it's a national holiday for them. In case if you have any Japanese artwork or anything related to Japan, so basically you're showcasing that as well, so you're celebrating that. So this is basically to celebrate the culture, the art and academia in Japan, right? The next one is the National Sandwich Day. Everyone in the Western world is aware of the sandwiches, right? So today it is the National Sandwich Day. In case if you have had your lunch, eating a sandwich, you have celebrated it. But I'm not a sandwich person, so anyway, if it is freshly made, yes, I would, enjoy, but yeah, that's all right. Everybody have their own taste, right? And the next one is the National Stress Awareness Day. And this is so much important in our day-to-day life, right? It's the 24 hours reinforcing the fact that you're not doing yourself a favor by stressing about situations that you can't control. So according to science, chronic stress leads to impaired cognitive and physiological functions. So you just don't need to stress about what stress you're undergoing. You have to be calm and just learn and continue whatever you have to continue in a calm way and learn to live with that. So that's what living with stress is all about. And the next two are so much related to one another, which is National Homemaker Day. We celebrate the people who keep our households running, and the day is devoted to appreciating all labor done in homes, including cooking, buying groceries, carrying out the much needed repairs. Not everyone does the repairs, but there are some who are into that kind of like, technical alignment, so they end up doing that. And also whoever is in the modern family, for example, this is the chance to thank and celebrate the ones who work hard behind the scenes. So it's all us. In case I'm not, but there are so many homemakers here. So that's one. And the other one is the National Housewife Day. It is again to recognize the millions of hardworking caretakers who look after the household, and it's basically honoring those ladies as well. So these are my national days for today. And coming to today's session, as I mentioned, it's all about ladies in their saris and golfing. And they are all in one of the prestigious clubs in Bangalore and Bengaluru. I have to correct myself. It takes a little bit to kind of like get tuned to Bengaluru. Anyway, so those are the days which are gone, wherein they used to say, gentlemen only, ladies forbidden. So that's a history, right? So we have to just take that off. And now the four ladies are going to prove that. Like sporting is any type of competitive physical activity of a game that aims to maintain or improve the physical ability and skills while providing enjoyment to participants and, in some cases, entertainment to spectators. It is an expensive sport, along with other sports which include like shooting, polo, derby, and Formula One. These are the it is Meena. That's okay, Meena. I have added you. You just have to accept and stand in the queue. I will be bringing you across. Yeah. And tonight, as I mentioned, I have got four ladies, right? And they're going to talk about their golf journey. And golf is a game for everyone, and it can be played with the entire family. And it also allows us to get some sun and fresh air in a natural environment, helping us to reduce stress. And that is what the National Stress Day today was. So just go out, get some sun, and enjoy. So, introducing the four gorgeous divas, Mrs. Meena Prakash, Mrs. Anjali Athawar Santosh, Mrs. Sangeeta Kamath, and Mrs. Hemapriya Sujesh, all from Bangalore, in a wide variety of activities which they normally do with all their, entrepreneurial skills and everything. I'll be introducing one by one. Mrs. Meena Prakash, mom of two beautiful children, adult children, is a very friendly golfer. And true to her first two initials, she does have the potential to become one. And she is one such person to her friends in the golfing circle. And her commanding abilities simply makes everyone dance to her tunes. Rather say, all the works get done. So that's how I was able to get all the other three ladies to do the golfing session for me today. So most of the ladies tournaments are organized by Meena, and she's the one who kind of like, gets lots of sponsorship, and she's a winner all the time. And the next one is Mrs. Anjali Athawar Santosh, who is fondly known as Double A, I think so, or AA, and in the golfing circle, and it stands for Adorable Anjali. She is Miss Malnad winner, a keen golfer, a passionate dancer, and a trustee of Sri Mahalakshmi Temple in Hiranyagarbha in Bangalore. and also an entrepreneur, and last but not the least, a caring homemaker too. So this is very well fitting into the National Homemakers Day today. The third of the siblings in the family, and parents gave her the best of values in life and the most loved child to her dear father, Shri Athawar Ramadas, if anyone knows, her hero, and she is a mom's girl too. The very first person to start the golf swing campaign on Facebook and got other ladies to take up the challenge as well. The next gorgeous diva is Mrs. Sangeeta Kamath, born and brought up in Belgaum, daughter of a lawyer and a well-known Maharashtrian personality, Daulat Mutkekar, and she studied at St. Mary's High School in Belgaum, graduated in English Literature from KLE Lingaraj College in Belgaum, completed her degree in Mass Communication with Radio and Television from Bangalore University. She is a Bharatnatyam dancer, a loving wife, mother of 2 daughters and 2 dogs, and recently promoted to a grandmother to an adorable newborn baby girl. Wow, how lovely. She's been involved in retail for the past 18 years. I was just literally blown away when I did the write-up. I was kind of, wow, these divas really have gone out of their way. And she began by bringing the English brand Lush, as you all know, a handmade cosmetic brand, as an Indian partner, and ran 25 shops, that's the presence across nation in India. She also brought yet another English brand, Storm London, into the Indian market, her older daughter being allergic to multiple foods, medicines, and commercial cosmetics. She took up to researching and creating products that was well suited to her daughter and others like her, which was soft on skin. She ran 2 kitchens in the house, one to run the regular household and the other one to make skin-friendly cosmetics. Wow, that is really, really entrepreneurial, and the interest to make sure that the daughter's skin is, soft and neat and tidy. She became a certified perfumer to add to her list vast knowledge and experience in the skin and hair care cosmetic industry. She created an entire line of skin food under the brand name SAND, San, for Soapaholics in the year 2014, an Indian brand with over 85 products, suitable for all skin types. Probably Indians might relate to this. I don't use those brands, so obviously I can't comment on those. If anyone is using that, there you go. It's this lady up here. To top this all, she is an enthusiastic golfer, a biker, and chef to her family. And the icing on the cake is she is an all-time sari connoisseur. And I tell you, the most important thing which struck me was, and she's known to make the most affordable of saris look like $1 million. Not everyone can do, only some people can do. Hats off to her. Thank you. I will be asking you some questions there, Sangeeta. And the next one is Hemapriya Sujesh, a small town girl, an economic graduate turned entrepreneur again, has always had an eye for fashion since her early childhood days, and she believed, which was passed down from her grandmom's side. The grandmom would say her middle name is Priya, which is creativity, and Hema, she always looks for, or she's looking for, or look for inspiration all the time for the betterment of things around her. She is a passionate golfer who is always looking forward to meeting new people and believes in bringing people together, which gives her immense pleasure. So, divas. So, I have a homemaker, a housewife, entrepreneurs, dancers, businesswomen, all in all, sari enthusiasts who will be showcasing off their golfing, swinging, technique and all the love for golf in their beautiful saris in one of the prestigious clubs in Bangalore. I'm not sure how they have entered the club in their saris, but they're going to tell us. I'll be bringing them across one by one. So stay tuned. I've already added Meena into the frame. So I will be asking her to join in. Meena, you can join in now if you're able to. It's getting added. So I'm really pumped up. It's such a variety of ladies up there. Wow, so much to learn from them. So much to learn, I tell you.
Hi, girls.
Yeah.
Hi, everybody. Good morning.
Hope you were able to hear me say what all I had to say about you ladies.
Yes, we did hear you. We did hear you. And are we clear in the picture? Are we in the picture?
Yes, now you're in the picture. You're in the frame. Can you see me?
Can you hear us?
Yes, we can hear you. Oh my Lord.
Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. So
Happy
I
Diwali,
got
ladies, from all over the world.
exactly.
This is from our golfing
So,
world. This is from the Golf Club. This is from the Bangalore Golf Club. Going live with
Bangalore
you all.
Golf.
So
I
happy
did
to
not
be with you all
mention.
today.
So excellent, excellent. So what are you ladies up to today? What are you going to show me? There's nothing formal, so it's just a casual catch up, I would say. We'll just have a
Yeah.
chit chat. You show me of your golf club, show off your saris, what you're wearing today. Oh my Lord!
Can
Yay!
you see our course? Can you see the course behind us?
Yes, yes.
Bye. My purse is there only. Huh? Can you see the course? I'm just
Yes,
giving
you
you
can
the
see
view of
the
the course.
court. Wow. So you were allowed to wear saris and get in?
Yeah. We
That's the height, isn't it? according to your write up there, ask Meena, she will do it. Anything can be done.
we tried our best to bring the view of the course to you all so that you'll get the feel of the
God,
natural
yeah.
Bangalore golfing course. Yeah, golf club.
Look at that. It's very rare to see that amount of greenery in Bangalore, but it's beautiful up there.
Yes.
It's beautiful.
So this
Yeah.
is our breathing ground.
Okay.
We take oxygen from here for our life. We take oxygen.
I have been there last year when Meena took me there, but it was just only for dining though, no, not for playing because I'm not a golfer. I was so fascinated seeing that. Wish
Even
I
though
was able to
non-golfer,
be
it's an
there.
amazing place to come and chill out. The restaurants are really amazing here with the
Yeah.
beautiful view
So
of the court.
can anyone come or you have to be a member to go into the
All
golf
are here.
club?
You have to be a member. No. You have to be a member.
For the members.
Uh-huh.
Okay. But still, we can take our guest.
Okay.
Members can take the guest.
Members can take, but you can't just walk in saying, I want to come and dine.
No,
Yeah.
not really.
Yeah. Okay. I have dined up there, so it's really nice. It's very tasty and everything. Beautiful.
Oh, great.
Okay, ladies, let us start. So do you ladies want to show off your saris, what you're draping?
Oh,
And then,
definitely.
show off
So
your
I will go one by one.
Yeah.
This is Hema.
Okay, I'm Hema
Yes.
Priya. So Hema has already introduced me. I'm a passionate golfer. And to talk about my attire today, I'm wearing a sari which is designed by myself. I would love to create a sari. Just picked up a material which was just lying in one corner, and I gave a touch of border to that, and I paired up with a ready kind of a crop top kind of a blouse. So this is my Diwali attire.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, by the way, I have
I
to
do have
say,
my
happy Diwali to
online
everyone.
boutique where I design
I was
myself,
meant to
and I
mention that.
source a lot of clothes like saris and other stuff from all part of the India.
India. Oh, very nice, very nice. By the way, happy Diwali. It's Choti Diwali,
Happy Diwali
today.
to
And
you
Narakha
and to everyone
Chaturdashi.
who's watching live.
Yeah. Awesome, awesome. So who's going to go next?
Yeah. Next is
Anjali. Hi, Hema.
Hi, Anjali. Oh, my Lord.
Hi, everybody watching us live.
Yes.
We are at Bangalore Golf Club.
Yeah.
This is our home club, and we just love Bangalore Golf Club.
You're right.
It's almost like our second home.
Second home.
More than home, we stay here more.
And all the members.
Fascinating to know that, your family members are okay with that.
Kind of flip your camera around.
Okay. Can't hear you, Hema?
It's very fascinating to know that your family members let you all come there every day when you say it's
Hear
your
that?
second home.
Yeah.
Facebook.
So the thing is, the whole of my family, I started golfing, Hema, because of my family.
It's okay.
Because of
Yeah,
my
I saw that. Yeah.
Both ways.
His father,
Yeah, if you turn,
Mr.
then
V.K. Dwarkanath, he
Yeah.
has been the secretary of 3 clubs at a single time. That was
Ah.
the KFA,
Uh-huh.
Century Club, and BGC. And he's the
Oh.
only person who could do that in one single year. So that's
Right.
great thing.
Oh, that's an honor. That's an
And
honor.
yes, and as you know, as not many people know, just trying to tell a few things about myself as you asked this too.
Uh-huh.
I was born and brought up in Chennai. And a
thought you were
beautiful place to
Malnad.
be. Sorry?
I thought you were from Malnad.
I am basically from Malnad. Basically from
Okay.
Malnad, but I was
Uh-huh.
born and brought up in Chennai.
Chennai,
And
okay.
I have been into sports and dance and academics all through my schooling, and I've been the best. I've got the best all-rounder award from my college too, which
Uh-huh.
I studied at the Etharaj College.
Yeah.
And then now got married 20 years ago, came to Bangalore,
Yeah.
and had a baby after 4 years of marriage. And
Uh-huh.
after having my baby, who was 6 months old, I started golfing. So that's
Okay.
where my golfing history starts.
Started.
Thanks to my father-in-law, V.K. Dwarkanath, and my husband, who, let me
Yeah.
golf after that
Encouraged
small
you.
baby was born. So,
Yeah.
and it's total fun golfing.
Uh-huh.
Now that we also have a temple, we run a temple, Sri Mahalakshmi
Yeah, I
temple,
saw that.
which was
Hiranya.
built 6 years
Uh-huh.
ago. And
Uh-huh.
I would call her, I don't have a girl baby. So I always say she's my girl baby, girl child. So I
child,
dress her
okay.
up, we get everything, all the Navaratri festivities, everything happened very well there.
All right.
And tomorrow is Diwali, and Diwali is also going to happen beautifully well.
Yeah.
And this is in Malnad, in Hassan, in Channarai Patna. It's a small village,
Uh-huh.
Bargur Anta. Oh, that is where the temple is. So all of you, please
Oh,
do
okay.
visit
Not
our
in
Facebook page. We have a Facebook page called Hiranyagarbha Shri Mahalakshmi Temple. So visit the Facebook page and you can see the goddess. She's just like Kolhapur Mahalakshmi.
Right. Okay.
Yes. So
The temple in Bangalore? I thought it was in Bangalore.
the temple is in Hassan, near Hassan, a place called
Ah.
Chandrai Patna.
Right.
Yeah.
Patna. Okay.
So
Okay.
she's very beautiful and petite. So visit our
Oh,
Facebook page. Apart
yeah,
from the
I will.
temple, I started my own products called Anjali's under the brand name Anjali's. Just
Uh-huh.
few products like our rasam powder and chutney pudi, which will go well with dosa and idli.
Oh,
have a-
I'll
I-
keep an eye
I
for
live
that.
called- Yeah.
My next visit.
We make puliyogre gojju also. And all
Oh,
these
yeah,
are
of
made
course.
by women in my farm, Hema,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
who are single women. So,
Right.
they were preparing it, and I told them, just don't do it for any, just like that. I'll market it for you, so that
Okay.
whatever is earned totally goes to them and goes towards charity,
Oh.
because I've always been into charity.
Charity.
So,
Oh, how lovely. Yeah, I'll get the products of you when I come there next.
Oh, sure. I'm just sending it there for a certification now. So that will also happen. Once that happens, I'm sure all of you can take it to Australia without a problem.
Without a problem. Yeah. Oh,
Without
that's
any-
very nice to hear about that. Lovely.
great. Nice.
We always, coming from South India and especially coming from Bangalore, and
Mm-hmm.
especially me with the, Vaishya kind of ground rooted. We are always into chutney powders and, puliyogre goju and everything. Oh, that will be yum.
Yeah, great.
I look
We've
forward to
got some
that.
very good stuff. Just 5 products, but really good.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. Right. So who is next?
Sorry?
Who's going next?
Next, we have
Sangeeta?
Sangeeta.
Yes, Sangeeta.
Oh, next is Sangeeta Kawat on live.
Yeah. What are you draping, Sangeeta, there?
No, but I
So you have to tell about the saris as well. Like, I did not hear from Anjali what sari she was draping. Was
Anjali,
that?
yeah.
Yeah. What was she draping? Anjali, what were you draping?
Anjali, just for a minute. Just come for a minute.
That's a beautiful
She
one.
wants you to explain what you're wearing. Okay, yeah, we forgot for the sari gallery.
Exactly.
All right. So here I'm wearing a chiffon sari.
Uh-huh.
Apart very long ago, but one of my favorites because it makes me look very thin and nice. That's very important.
Very important. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice.
For a festive feel, it has some embroidery here and some vibrant colors.
Yeah. It's
That's
nice,
about it.
when you're up in the golf
And I
there.
enjoy wearing saris. So
Sorry?
I also started with that sari campaign, as I told you.
She's
Started the campaign, yeah.
Oh,
Swing
yeah.
with the sari.
sorry.
And that was, and put a challenge to Hema Priya and Meena and Sangeeta, which they readily accepted, and that really
I
happened
know.
well. And
I'm
that's what
totally
I do.
impressed because who would agree to do this out of
It's
nothing.
not easy. Yes, it's not
motivation.
easy.
I'm really, really, blessed to have you ladies perform the golfing session for me.
Thank you so
Definitely.
much.
Yeah, just I'm now
Sangeeta.
Sangeeta Kamath will be on
Yeah,
live
yeah.
now.
Wow, I was just blown away writing your write-up and tidying it up and wow.
Thank you so much. Just promote it to grandmother.
Amazing.
What I'm wearing is a Ekal patchwork. So Ekal is a village in Karnataka. And
Correct, yeah.
predominantly this part was worn by the villagers and by the vegetable sellers. So this fabric
So is that the Lambani work there or?
is not the Lambani. The Lambani is separate.
Yeah, because I couldn't see your pallu. So show me your pallu.
Yeah,
Oh,
so if you
yes.
see this,
Yeah,
this is called the Ilkal
Yeah.
weave. These are handlooms.
correct.
And
Yeah.
right now, these are kind of depleting. People don't want to do so much handloom. The villagers wore this fabric actually in only a blouse, not in a sari. This was
Sari,
worn as
yeah.
a blouse for ages together. It was called a choli. So it did not have
Correct.
any hooks or buttons. It
Anything.
was just a tie-up, like you would see Zinat Aman in.
Sexy way of the blouse.
Correct. Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
And recently, this has been woven into a full sari.
Full sari. Okay.
In a full sari, yes. But
In
this
a
is
full sari. It's woven. Actually, that's very interesting because it's truly a well woven sari because you have got the weaves in there, but normally I kind of see those being attached, but it's beautiful there. It's really, really nice. Beautiful. Very nice, very nice. So
sari now.
Hi, good morning. Can you hear me, Hema?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
So you know me much better than anybody else here. So the well-known figure in the club. So I am Meena Prakash. How I got addicted to golf was we used to come for walks here first, following the husband, and started
Following the husband.
following the husband.
Husband.
So we have been conducting even the tournaments and Women's Days tournament to bring up new talent to the thing. We are having wonderful response from every year. For so many 150 ladies participate almost.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so I am wearing a cotton saree today.
It's beautiful. Love the colors there.
It's very light and it's almost like Kora cotton.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
So
a typical.
yeah, very comfortable in
type.
sarees. But we can play golf also. But as per the club rules, we are not supposed to. So, but we try to do all our in-between tricks and trade and do some swingings and putting and chipping. So,
There
so
you
most of
go.
you all who don't know about golf, it's a 18-hole course. 18-hole course. It's approximately about 6 kilometers walk. It will become around 6 to 7
Wow.
kilometers of walk if you are completing the whole round.
Whole round.
Yeah.
So how long
Yeah.
does it?
It will take almost 5 hours.
5
5
hours.
hours to
Yeah.
complete one round?
It should take
One round.
5 hours.
It should take 5 hours.
If you are a good golfer, then it should take 4.5 to 5 hours.
It is
But-
4.5 and 5 hours round easily. Good
Yeah.
walk in the air and this one.
And we are very close to nature.
Yeah, this one
Very
particular sport is one thing where the age doesn't come into picture of playing.
Yeah.
So
okay.
even I've seen people, 80 plus people playing golf with all the knee pain, back pain, everything. So I
Everything.
advise most of the ladies to take up this sport as a part-time or whatever it is.
Yeah.
So that they can, even after 60, 70, 80s, people are, we are also reaching there.
Yeah.
We are not reaching.
So
Do
I would
do you
like
go
to-
with your golf buggy or you literally walk?
See, during COVID, this was one respite wherein without contact free, we could go into the course and play because we don't come into contact with anybody. Almost we will play around 10 feet difference and 6 feet away from each other. So that will not be a problem. With a mask, we could play.
Most
So-
times 100 feet away.
Yeah. So you hit your ball and go to your ball. We are not in contact. So even the COVID time, we didn't stop playing. So that was our secret pastime.
Oh, there you go. So the club let you all do that.
The club?
The club let you all play golf during the COVID. Hello. Oh, sorry, just got cut off. I have to bring you on camera again. Oh, sorry, just got cut off, ladies. Oh, while she is getting added, I'll say hello. Manjula is asking, please ask all of them to hold the camera at lower level. Okay, sure, I'll ask them. Thank you, ladies, for joining in. I have quite a few there. I stopped at Darshana. Sunita, thank you for joining in. Thank you, Vijaya. Thank you, Malini. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, Chapin. Thank you, Anuradha. Thank you, Jyoti, again. Thank you, Shanta Auntie. Thank you, Nalini. Lovely, beautiful ladies. Happy Diwali to lower the camera. Yes, I will definitely say that, Manjula. She's getting added. Meena, can you accept my request? It will be somewhere sitting in your notification folder. And then I have Usha, Vidya, Neeta, Madhura, Lata Nagraj, and Lata Nagraj saying Happy Diwali, Himanti. Thank you. And I did not wish you ladies a Happy Diwali. I was so excited to bring the ladies from the golfing field to my platform. So yes, today is Choti Diwali, as it is known, and Naraka Chaturdasi, though Naraka Chaturdasi is more to do with the demon god and everything, but still we celebrate. So it's really nice celebration during Diwali. Thank you, Geeta Auntie. Thank you for watching. Meena, I'll try and add you again.
Yeah.
Let's connect. Yeah, sorry,
back again.
not to
Sorry
worry.
for the
I
interruption.
can definitely keep the audience busy. So thank you so much. Yeah. So what are we doing now? So show me your swings, what you do.
Yeah, definitely we would like to show our putting and swing with the
Language. And what the audience said was to lower your phone a little bit so that they can see you in
Yeah,
full.
Anjali is going to putt now.
Okay.
Just a minute.
turn it this way.
See, she's showing some putting. Can you see that putting?
We can't see a little bit lower. Yes.
Into the hole, just missed.
This is called putting. Only when you come to
Yeah.
the greens,
Can
when you come to the greens,
Can you lower a little bit? Yeah.
can you see?
Yes, I can see. Yes. Yes. A little bit. A little bit more. You can just go a little bit up. Yes. Yes, that's perfect. So what do you look for? Like, you're
She's using
holding
the colorful balls so that you all can see them. So she's doing putting now. This is putting is when you reach the green. Once you reach the green, you are going to use the putter and you have to hold the ball inside. Just hold
Okay.
it one there. Yeah.
I've got so many clubs here. So what are these for?
Yeah, this is only one putter, but
Uh-huh.
we start with the driver and end with this putter. This is called the putter
Ah.
what she's using. We start
Uh-huh.
with the driver, and then
Uh-huh.
depending on your strength, you can use different clubs. Depending on the strength of you and the distance, you can use each different clubs to get different distance.
Ah, so these are, you can use anything depending on the strength what you
Yeah.
have.
Are you holding
Ah,
a putter? Are you holding a driver, Hema? Yes.
I don't know what it's called. I have the clubs. I've got
Yes,
a full
you're
set.
holding a driver.
It's a
Yes.
driver set. I would have a clue what it is.
You are holding a driver.
What is this?
So
What's
you
this?
take the first shot.
And that's an iron on your other hand.
Saying,
And
you have to
that
explain.
can-
I don't
that
have a clue.
even-
I have the full
That
set.
one can
I
be
don't know
used
what
to
they
even
are.
scare people away.
It's pretty. I was taking some pictures. I said, like, I don't even know how to hold the clubs, but I want a picture. My husband was laughing away.
So
But
we
yeah,
are going to inspire all the ladies to take up golf. We want 50% of the population in Australia to start golfing now.
Oh, yes, definitely.
So-
we can see the golf
You know
course
what?
very
This
soon.
game is a lot of stress relief
Uh-huh.
because you're outside for 5 hours, you're mingling with people. So
Yeah.
there's a lot of stress relief when playing this game. Yeah.
Yeah, true, true. So it perfectly fits in for today's theme because it's National Stress Day as well. So which is
Yes.
golfing is a stress buster, and celebrating, National Homemakers Day, and Housewives Day. So it's all together, and I'm so elated today.
We enjoy ourselves at the course.
Yeah.
What we would like to show you now is Hemapriya here is going to drive a ball.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so that is the starting point of a hole. When you're playing a hole, the driver is what you use, the club that you use first to
Okay.
get yourself as close to the pin as possible.
Right.
So
Right.
she is going to show you a driver shot now.
Uh-huh.
You want a driver? I'll give you a driver. You want a driver? I'll show the driver. Okay.
So ladies have
she is going.
their own clubs.
Yes, so all of us carry about maximum you can carry 14 clubs in your bag.
So how many
Not
do you
more than that.
bag?
Pardon me?
How many clubs do you get in a bag? I opened the bag, there were so many.
Yeah, so there's 14 clubs you are allowed to carry maximum. So if
Uh-huh.
there's 15, then you're defaulting and you're DQ'd.
Oh, what does it matter? What does the 15 do? Like the 15th one?
No, it is not what you can choose your own 14 clubs, whatever you want.
So according to the distance, so basically I'm holding a pitching wedge, which I can
Uh-huh.
carry for 70 yards distance.
Wow. Okay.
So when I have to hit a ball for the 70 yards to reach the green, then we use this pitching wedge. And then the driver is the starting club, which we use from our tee box. Now all we four ladies, we carry it for 170 to 190 yards is the distance what we carry with our driver.
Oh.
And that's starting club for a long distance hole. And then
Yeah.
according to the distance, we change the clubs.
Okay. Otherwise, it becomes.
You
Is
need
it
to know your strength and your
Carry-
distance.
is it
Pardon?
becoming too heavy to carry? Is that the reason?
No. You are allowed 14 clubs as a general rule.
As a
You
general-
can choose which 14 you want.
You want? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. Interesting.
So I will show my swing with this, and then
Yeah.
the other lady is ready with the driver. I
Yeah.
will show her swing. Okay,
Wow.
then Meena start with the driver.
This is
swing.
my driver. This is the first club we use in the golf course. We tee
Uh-huh.
off with this. And then we can go to 180 or 200 yards also, depending on your strength.
Strength. Okay.
So you place
So
the ball on
all
the tee,
cards, is
and
it?
then we hit it with this. This is called the driver, the first shot.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay, go ahead. Yes, sir.
I will show you how to take a swing in this. Can you see me?
Uh-huh.
Hi, everybody.
Hello. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow. I can't even do that. I was trying to take a picture. I couldn't even hold the club.
So we can go 180 to 200 yards in this. And you, as I speak of this driver, you all must know our fellow golfer from the BGC. She became the Olympiad, Aditi Ashok.
Oh yes,
She can hit
Aditya.
over 300 yards.
He hits around 250 yards to 300 yards in this driver.
Right.
So she's the youngster. You must have heard about her, who reached fourth place in the Olympiad this time.
Yeah. Who is the other top golfer from India? Test. It
There are
starts with
few quite lady golfers playing who have reached that level now. Sharmila, Aditi
Because
from
of,
Bangalore, Aditi Ashok from Bangalore. She's all our fellow golfers here.
yeah.
So
Who is the other one? The top.
what started as a pastime, it has become a passion now for us.
Correct. Okay. Yeah.
So
So you get to see
the
friends.
passion turned into like how the sari is first love of our life, and then
Yes.
now golf is second love of our life, and third will come in the husbands, I think.
I don't even know whether they figure anywhere.
That's
we
good
have
to
a
know.
nice group
If
today.
they are here,
Every
you know,
week we meet up and play, and then quite a number of rounds we have we have a lot of tournaments happening, club level tournaments. We participate in all. We have a ladies events happening. So
Okay.
I advise most of the ladies to take this as a sport now, because it's
Uh-huh.
not taxing on the age wise I'm talking about also. So it's a fantastic sport to follow.
And what do you
Want
ladies wear when you are on a tournament? Like, you know, do you wear shorts or do you wear pants?
So we wear shorts,
shade.
skirts, pants. What I mean, you are allowed shorts, skirts, and trousers, and you got to wear a collared or a close neck T-shirt.
There is
Yeah.
uniform, certain club rules to follow.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So, Hema, I got to know you when I came to Sydney, just because of my son who's living in Sydney now. As you know, Puneet is studying there and working there now. So,
That's
thanks
right.
to you for all the connect there. Wonderful. So,
It's
hopefully,
a
I'll be
good
coming to Sydney in Jan.
Yeah.
So, they're ready to show the swing, these two ladies.
Okay. We need to use a gloves on the left hand, which we
Depending on
if you're a left-hander.
yeah,
if you're a left-hander or
Depending on
right-hander, but we use gloves on one hand,
for the better
one
grip.
hand for the better
So
grip
why-
for
why
the club holding
One
and
hand,
other stuff.
I don't use it for the other one.
It's up to you. Like few people use on both the hands, but
Basically,
left
it's
is
like-
mandatory for the proper grip for the club to hold.
Club. Okay.
Also, many people sweat in their palms, so that could loosen the grip,
Yeah.
and that would spoil their swing.
Yeah.
So
Can
to
you
have a
just
better
lift
grip,
up? Yeah. Because I was not able to. Yeah.
what I'm using is a putter that I can So I have the pitching wedge, as I told you, which to carry.
These
for
are called the
70
irons.
yards.
These are called the irons.
Yeah.
So I can show you the swing with this pitching wedge.
Yes. Totally.
Seven
So
and
whatever
seven.
you want to showcase yourself today, the whole thing is yours.
Can't hear you, Hema?
The whole platform is yours for today. So do whatever you have to show off in your golfing world.
Okay. How much more time do we have?
You still have about 10 to 15 minutes.
Oh, great. Okay. So I think each one of us will showcase the first one. Nina will showcase the driver.
Uh-huh.
No, we'll drive, okay? And then we'll have Sangeeta do the second shot.
Okay.
We'll do the third, and then
Yeah.
I'll do the putting. So
Okay.
you will know the series. Okay?
Okay.
So we will just let me get a
Yeah.
Okay,
Wow.
so each one is having a
ಇನ್ನೊಂಚೂರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ phone ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Just a little bit up so that we can see you in full. Just take your phone a little bit up so that we can see you in full. No. Like no. Up.
Yeah.
Yes.
okay.
Yeah. Now we can see you in full. Yeah. Okay. Start off the game. Whatever you want to do. Whoa! Wow! I have to click a picture now. 1 second. Hello.
Yeah.
It's okay. We can't hear you because you're too far off. That's okay. You show the game. Wow. It's not focusing. In ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯಾರು ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಚೂರು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yeah.
Okay, so should we drive? I think I wish I had the pods connected. I'll get the pods connected.
Ooh.
That's a nice shot.
So you're wearing your normal sandals, right? Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that's not the iron she hit. She's got some 100 yards in that.
Uh-huh.
So we have, this is called the tee, okay? And
Yeah.
this is the ball. So we're going to place
Uh-huh.
the ball on the tee. This is a long tee for a driver that we need to use, okay? There we go. Perfect. Have fun. But this is, don't.
Oh, the volume has just gone down a little bit.
You can see people coming from there. We should watch them. We should watch
Uh-huh.
whether they're walking in our way, in the fairway. So
Yeah.
we are cautioning them not to come this way. The people are walking there. Now she's hitting the shot.
So
What
what
a
happens
shot.
if they come in between?
They might get their head hit, no?
Has that
The ball
happened?
is the ball is very hard. So if they come in direct contact,
you can
break your skull.
You can break your skull, you can hit an eye, you can break a leg. You're mad at somebody, you just come and take it out. Yeah.
I would
Yeah.
be mad at somebody, you go there, go hit them.
Okay. The volume has just gone down a little bit. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, we can, yeah.
Okay, because yours, the volume has just gone down. I don't know
Yeah, because
why.
there's a lot of traffic on the road also.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Okay,
So who's doing the next
take
one?
my swing now with the
Yeah.
iron.
Yeah. Wow.
The ball is going 100 yards there.
Yeah. So who normally goes and get the ball?
There.
You
See, we hit the ball and go follow the ball, and the second shot we go. We have a
So
caddy with us now.
we normally don't. We go to the ball, but then we have our caddy. Can you see?
Uh-huh.
This is one of our
This
BGC
is Raju
caddies,
from
Raju,
senior caddies.
senior most
And
caddy
he
here.
carries it for you?
Every player will have their caddy on their own to carry the
Okay.
trolley as well as to give us information about the distance, what we have to hit.
And the line to putt and all
Yes,
these
all
things.
those
But
information.
basically, a golfer has the knowledge, but they give us some additional knowledge so we can play better, improve our games.
Excellent.
More than our strength, they'll be knowing how we play.
Oh. That's excellent. Very good. Very good to know.
Yeah. Now, what else you want to know about golf? You can shoot the questions.
It was just basic things, you know.
Somebody's asking how will you keep the ball on tee?
The next question which
the
I will
ball-
be throwing across
Yeah, you
is
want us to show
it
the ball on the
expensive in
tee?
India?
Yes.
Okay, see.
Okay, somebody was asking that how to keep the ball on the tee. The tee is placed on the ground,
Okay, so
on the grass. Just put it down.
one minute, okay? We'll just show it here, then we do the proper experiment. And then we leave it on the
on the
Okay.
on the
Go
grass.
further, can you just flip the camera? That's right. Okay. So this is the way we place the tee. It goes into the grass. All right. For a driver,
We can't see you. If you can just lower the camera. Yeah.
show her the distance. Okay. So here, when we use the driver, the ball has to be placed right, a little high, so that the connect is better.
Okay.
We connect it better. Okay.
Right.
So basically, we hold it this way. Ina connect to Simina.
Right.
All right. So this is the way we place the ball. Ina kadage.
Okay.
And that's for the
Yeah.
driver.
All
So
right.
you can show it for
So
the
this is for the driver. Then for a 7-iron or a 4-iron or any other iron,
the tee goes down.
the tee
into
goes
the
totally
grass.
down. I think
Oh.
this probably everybody will remember the Tom and Jerry. You know, the Tom normally puts Jerry down and then keeps the ball.
Yeah.
Okay. But this is for
So
another
that's
club,
what you do
7-iron.
there. Okay. So you have got like different techniques you use.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and see, this is the way we connect it. We lift the club, and hit the ball.
Ah, okay.
So, if a
Excellent.
very interesting game. Many people call it an old man's game, but not at all.
Definitely
Everybody should play this, especially women. They say, "Oh, we get tanked," and all that stuff. But look at that. All of us are on the golf course most of the time.
I don't
Most
think any
of
of
the
us
time.
is stand
on
here.
the sun.
It's so
So
nice
don't-
to see your friendship there. And
Don't get
just
worried.
take a picture of you four in the golf club there, and whoever is holding the camera. That would be a brilliant, to feature you as the cover page ladies for tonight on my page.
I will take a picture and forward it to you now, right away.
Yeah, yeah. Beautiful,
Thanks, Emma.
beautiful.
Thanks-
So it
thanks a
was
lot,
just a
for
friendly
giving
chit
us this
chat,
opportunity,
just to
Hema.
showcase that golf can be played draping saris, which you all did. And I was thinking about the shoes, and I saw you all in your normal sandals. So you
But
can
only today.
Only today.
See, I'm wearing shoes actually.
Hema, we are
you
in
can
the
do
practice
heels as
range.
well.
I'm wearing the heel. I'm wearing 4-5 inches wedges.
No, but today we are
No,
not
because you're
playing.
all professional, so it's okay. But for a beginner, obviously, you have to,
Yeah,
follow the
definitely.
right way to kind of like, do the normal practice and everything.
Hema,
All right.
we are not
We
going
will
inside the
try and
courts
finish
today.
it off. The last message from each of you, and then we will say bye.
All of us together. Happy,
Yeah.
Happy Diwali and a happy golfing Diwali to everybody. So
Thank you
hopefully
very much.
by next year I will see many more ladies.
Okay, sorry, we'll have to like lower our voices.
Because
There's
we
somebody
have-
teeing off at the back.
I
can
saw,
see
I
them.
saw the team there. That's
Yes.
absolutely fine. This is more than a plenty, It's really awesome to see you ladies in the prestigious golf club in your saris. What else one could ask for? Excellent. Thank you once again. We will wind off the session. And ladies in the group, stay tuned for next week's session. It will be announced on Sunday as normal. And we will enjoy the session next Wednesday. And again, the gorgeous four divas, thank you so much for coming in. Bye
Thank you
for
once
now.
again. Thank you once again.
Nina,
Bye-bye.
Sangeeta,
Bye, everyone.
Hema, and Anjali. Again,
Thank-
Hema, all 4, 5 of us signing off. Bye for now. Bye for now. Thank you.
Bye, ladies. Bye, Hema.
Bye.